Alrighty, y'all. Today I finally want to share some recipes with y'all, and I'm still brainstorming for workshopping the name, but basically I'm thinking something like Alma as the recipes, because originally I was thinking like soul food Sunday, but then I was like, well, soulful Sunday, and I was like, well, Alma means soul, and I was like, my mom's name is Alma, and it all just kind of became Alma's recipes. So I don't know how often I'll share something like this, but today's recipe is shrimp ceviche. It's been one of my favorites ever since I was a kid. I do cook the shrimp, but I want to start off by showing y'all the ingredients. So, tomates, some jalapenos. I only have 2, so it's not yet spicy. Gonna make it work. Tostadas. I like this brand. Avocado, pepinos, maybe like a couple. Cilantro, because you know. And lime, lots of. Also got my show Lopez versus Lopez right now, so put on whatever you want to listen to while you cook. So this is a setup. We got tomates, pepinos, lime, cilantro, avocado, jalapenos. Adjust as you want. I'm also gonna be bringing out the salt, and then right now my frozen shrimp is just defrosting for a little bit before I cook it up. I'm not above a good shenanigan, and my sister gave me this thing for Christmas a few years ago, so I'm gonna pop it in there and start putting it into my little silver bowl. Also, this is therapeutic. This is, you just got be brisk, let off the tension. All right, this is what I got so far on my little veggies with some sal y limon. Been about 20-ish minutes so far. Alrighty, so I just finished peeling the shrimp and actually cutting them into little things so that they're already ready. And I got my water with some salt in there, and it's about to be boiling. And I'm gonna cut this and put it in the same little container once I pop that in there and rinse it off, because that's where I'm going to transfer it after it's been boiling for maybe like 3 minutes. Just pay attention to it. If it's looking pinkish, that's usually when I take it out. All right, so basically at the last step, I just took out the shrimp. They were in there like a couple of minutes. I put them in here where I had the lime. And honestly, I'm just going to let it chill for a little bit more, maybe like 15 minutes or something before I eat it. You can do whatever you want to do. I also forgot to mention I put onion in here too. Red onion is usually the go-to, but I only had white. So I got some cilantro, some cucumber, some jalapenos, some avocado, some salt, and some lime in here. I think that's it. Some tomate. And then I got the shrimp that's been cooked a little bit. And now it's just sitting in some lime. And then when I'm ready to eat, I'm going to combine it, put them together. All right, so that's it. I'll post one more picture of it, like ready to serve. I recommend some good tostadas, or even you can use crackers. Tapatio is my favorite, hot sauce, and we ran out, so it's kind of sad, but ketchup makes the taste bomb. So I hope that y'all try this. That took me about 45 minutes. And I do think that depending on the type of shrimp that you get, so I got 2 pounds of frozen shrimp that still had the shell on and the tail. So it took me a little bit longer, but you can also get shrimp that's already like peeled and tails off too, and that makes it quicker. All right, if you try it though, let me know how you like it. I'm about to post a pic of me eating it soon. So I forgot to mention the last step is after you mix it, you can add more salt if you need. I didn't need any. And then you can put it on a tostada like this with some hot sauce, and like I mentioned, some ketchup. Or you can also break up these little tostada things or crackers, whatever you have. Pour a little bowl and use like chips. So yeah, I hope that y'all enjoy, because it's bomb. I already had some. It's bomb. Provecho. You know it's good when you dance. That's the true knowing.